So last day we had seen how to retrieve nucleotides sequences from your NCBI.nih.nlm site. So today we will go with proteins. We'll try to do the same thing with proteins. So first thing, I will share my screen. So I open a window, type NCBI. So just write down open NCBI. First point. Heading হচ্ছে retrieval of protein sequences from NCBI database. Retrieval of protein sequences from NCBI database. First point, open the site NCBI.nlm .nih.gov. Now we want to have a protein sequence. Let us choose. So let us choose one gene. For example, a histone H3 of human. Then we go to protein. Okay. Select protein in the search box. Point 2. Select protein in the search box. ठीक है, सब ऑनलाइन वाले लिख लियो, लिखे तो ऑनलाइन वाले?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So we are interested in the human histone H3. Instead of human, it's better to write Homo sapiens. And type search. So the search page opens. You can see that clustered histone H3 clustered histone gene database. You can see all these things. Now you can just check if this is the one which you are looking for. You click it, open it. So you can find all information regarding histone H3. Can you see this website? दिख रहा है? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Let's go back one step. Let us check histone H3 Homo sapiens. Amino acid protein. This is also, so we open histone H3 Homo sapiens. So these actually you are seeing many sites over here. So it is actually submissions from different people. Different research lab, they have submitted the protein sequences and they have got a unique number. For example, this is the, you have the gene bank number, the accession, write down the accession number. Accession number देखियो AAN 39284.1. That is the accession number. Write down the accession number. Write a note over there also. This accession number can also be used here. Huh? Huh? Acha, I'm waiting. 3 minutes ज़्यादा बोलो madam. Madam, I requested 3 minutes. Just hold on for 3 minutes. But I will be talking about it now. So just write down the accession number is noted down. This accession number can be used to retrieve the protein sequences later. All references must be quoted with accession number. All references are to be quoted with accession number. So you can see histones, you can see all the list of all the data of it. For example, the locus on the human gene. Entry kore di. For example, you can see the locus on the gene AAN 39284. This is 136 amino acid. This was deposited on 10th January 2003. Then accession number, database source AF. This is another accession number. Then source Homo sapiens from humans. Then organisms, Homo sapiens, eukaryota, metazoa, chordata, craniata, vertebrata, euteleostomy, mammalia, eutheria, all these things. Then reference, authors. Karakurache, names are there. Wood, Marx, Loof. And the paper was in genomics, journal genomics, the human and mouse replication dependent histone genes. In this publication, you can find this particular data. And in the end, you can see this protein sequence. Methionine, A hoche aspartic acid, R hoche T hoche arginine. T tyrosine, T hoche threonine. So all these are each of these are one letter single letter representation of amino acids. Yes, so this is the amino acid which you can basically see. এগুলো বাড়িতে একবার খুলো, স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে প্রিন্ট নিয়ে নিও each step. Okay, open this thing, do this thing once more in your home. Type the same thing like I did in the video and take a screenshot. And after you take the screenshot, basically you print out here, paste করে দিও. So you are getting the protein sequence here. Now the protein, go to the top left corner and select faster. So you get the FASTA format. FASTA format always starts with a greater than sign here and the name of the gene accession number followed by the amino acid sequence in a straight line without any 1, 2, 3, 4 in between. This is the FASTA. So for all practical purposes, FASTA format should be used. This is copied in a notepad. In Windows, you copy it in a notepad. ঠিক আছে? So this is handling and retrieval of protein sequences. এই লেখাগুলো লিখো আর স্ক্রিনশটস পেস্ট দ্য স্ক্রিনশটস ঠিক আছে অনলাইন वाले আর ইউ এবল টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড
Yes, sir.
আদিত্য ডালি বুঝতে পেরেছো
Yes, sir.
ভেরি গুড
Yes.
দিগান্ত পাত্র বুঝতে পেরেছো দিগান্ত ঘুমোচ্ছে Okay, যাই হোক এখন লোকেদের না ডেকে now I will start a new little bit part about what blast is. So right, go to the blast site on NCBI .nlm .nih .gov. On the last day, I had given you all the screenshots. Okay, you can use it. But I want you people to sort of do it by your hand yourself. So this time I'm not giving the screenshots. Although it is not a big deal. But do it by yourself. Take your own screenshot. ঠিক আছে এখানে করতে হবে না বাড়িতে মোবাইলেও করতে পারো no problem. It's very easy. And paste it the same like you did it with nucleotide. It is repeated in with proteins also. Acha. So you go to the blast site at ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. So what is BLAST actually? It is an algorithm, a computer program, a software, an application software constructed on C++. To be, I've seen the construction of BLAST. I've seen a video on how BLAST was constructed. And so basically it was coded on C++. Some parts were coded on C. And they made this web browser tool. And of course, later on they had to use HTML to make the web server. So it means basic local alignment search tool. BLAST means. So what it does is it finds regions of local similarity. So for example, if you give a DNA sequence and you BLAST, it will search the whole database of all sequences which are present in it. And it will find out similar sequences. Very useful tool. You don't know what that sequence is. You have been given a sequence. So if you paste this sequence and BLAST it, you will get to know what this is. Okay. For example, let us see. I don't know. For example, we know that now you know that this is histone. Imagine you don't know. You have been just given this protein sequence. Okay. You don't know what it is. So you go to BLAST and do this is a protein. You know, it's a protein sequence. Do a protein BLAST. And you paste the sequence in FASTA. FASTA copy করেছি, FASTA রয়েছে. And align 2 or more sequences. Show results in new window, BLAST. There is a string error. Now it is basically now searching the database. The problem which the error came, why did the error come? Because I clicked on align 2 or more sequences, but I have given only one sequence, that is of histone. If there was 2 sequences, then they would align those 2 sequences. Now the data has come. Immediately you see the first hit which you get is human H3 Homo sapiens. You can see. Then another synthetic construct. Throughout the database, all the similar sequence. It comes from Moose Pahari. This is a mounted rat. So all animals, so this will come because histone is a very conserved type of proteins. From chickpea to a chicken to chickpea, if you go, you have only 2 amino acid differences. It is highly conserved. So basically with this you can align with everything, but not all genes are same. Not all proteins are same. Histones are very conserved. Therefore, you can even find puma, you know, that mounted, the cat, like tiger, leopard. Then all these animals, oryx, carlito, everywhere you find all these things. Rhinolophus, even in Rhinolophus you find it something like this. Lemur, Icus, Privalsky, this is a zebra, not horse. It's zebra. Ratus. So you can see that it is so conserved. Here you get the data similarity. You see, 100% first তিনটেতে আসছে, 100% similarity. Then 99% in pan. Pan is chimpanzee. So you get a 99.26% similarity in chimpanzee. Then you have the Dasypus. Dasypus is sloth bear. Then Ictidomis. This is a type of Sicilian. That is an amphibian. You find so 97%. Pongo, Rhinolophus. So you can see gradually as you go down, least similarity will come. But histones are very conserved, so you will always find above 90. Is this clear? Try to do this once by your hand. ঠিক আছে, আজ আই স্টপ ওভার হিয়ার। এইটুকু খাতায় লিখে নিও। So anybody has any questions? Priyankshi, Priyadarshini, questions?
No, sir.
বুঝে গেছে? নো নো স্যার। আচ্ছা, সোহমের কোয়েশ্চেন নেই। দিগান্ত, হ্যাঁ ও দেখছে। আচ্ছা, आभा क्लियर है सब कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you will write it down and paste all these sequences. Histone ka hi blast karo from the website. Copy what is written over there, what is blast, and how you did this. If you see, go through this video, you will see everything is there. Just एक बार video देखना पड़ेगा बस. Okay, clear? Attendance এসে যাবে। Attendance has come. Download as PDF. This is 6/7. Today's date is 05/04/23. Practical. Okay then, bye bye.